day.
So phone is better.
And I dey go work. I dey work. How will I pay my bills? How will I send home to my money home to mama, including you? So don't blame me. And here I am.
Action. Mommy. Hey, o jẹ gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ ìyá mi. Ìyá tèmi. Mo wà láì dára bó ṣe wà má ti kọ̀ wọ́n ní ìyá dáadáa. Exactly. Báyìí sọ̀rọ̀ wọn ni. Ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni nǹkan ti Julie. Not wasting time. Mommy no.
Jesus.
Never. Hello, sorry, Mabi. One speaker person. Hello, sir. Hello, everybody should want to really appreciate you. Everyone you do. Lord, my mom, you do. Hey, you didn't come back. You on you. She on you. Báwo ni iṣẹ́ ń lọ? Mo dúpẹ́ o. I'm expecting you pẹ̀lú wákìwà. Kẹ́mi ṣọgbẹ́ wákìwà ò ṣe gbọ́. Ẹ ṣe gan-an. Thank you. Hello? Yeah, mo sì. Wá fi ní kíkọ́ dúpẹ́ náà. Mo mọ̀.
Okay. Oh, hi.
Where's my dad?
Your dad? What do you mean by where's your dad?
Come on, I said, where's my dad? Come on.
You're so rude. Look at the way you're talking to me. No greeting, nothing. Just where's my dad?
Where's my dad? Come on.
I'm not with your dad, please.
I need to see my dad.
My friend, you see what I'm facing?
What's wrong with you? I want to see my dad. Come on.
It's my husband's son. I don't even know for him. I don't know. Maybe he's on drugs. I don't know.
Who are you fucking speaking today? I said, is my dad at home?
I'm not with your dad. You can call his number, please.
Come on, get off my phone, man.
Oh. What?
Is that your son-in-law?
Yes, so that's what I'm facing. You know, I keep saying it. That is exactly what I'm facing. Thank God you witness it. That's my problem. He's so rude. No single respect for his stepmom. No single respect for his stepmom. Can you imagine? Oh.
Some of them have their heads stupid. Instead of going to see good morning.
nice and I love him. I love his dad. That's what I'm facing every day and night. That's what I face. Don't even know what to say. I just don't know what to do. I don't know at this junction. I don't know what to say. He has been doing it severally. But what can I do? What can I say?
Just try and call him and tell him what he's doing is wrong. You understand? Only make sure he's calm.
Even sometimes,
Yes.
when he texts me, we just say, good morning, where's my food?
Good morning.
Can you imagine?
He won't say good morning. Ma.
He won't say good morning, ma. He just say, good morning, where's my food?
Did he go to school?
I don't know for him.
Is he a graduate?
He is. So I was told. He's a graduate. That's my problem. That's what I'm facing right now.
You are trying, my friend.
What can I do?
Sorry, Bele.
Sometimes you make me cry.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Just ignore him. Just don't let
I
him
just
get
love
you.
his dad. I
No,
love his dad.
no, it's fine.
He's so nice. I love his
Maybe
dad.
he's on ganja.
Who knows? I don't know.
God.
I
You
don't
need
know.
to step up your gear and pray for him.
I've
You know
been
the
doing
way
that.
you pray for your husband, you
I've
pray
been
for
doing
him
that.
as
I
well.
pray for both of them in the house.
Ah,
I pray for them.
Bele, my friend. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry. Don't
Thank
cry.
you, my
okay?
friend. Thank
Everything
you.
will be okay.
Amen. I
By
pray
God's
so.
grace.
Finger crossed.
Sorry, my friend.
Thank you.
So about the
Thank
party,
you.
let me just leave you because I think you're upset.
Ah, my sister.
We talk about it tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
Let me
I'm
take
not,
you to the-
yes, I'm not in the
shop,
good mood. Yeah.
Mm.
Thank
I'll
you.
drop you.
Kò bá ọkọ mi mú kí n má sọ̀rọ̀. I love to help people.
ẹjọ́ kan mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ní mind kí n kàn pass a night lọ́dọ̀ yín bí lálẹ́ tó bá dẹ̀ di àárọ̀ la very early I will sort myself out for please.
Wá jáde láàrọ̀, wá padà délé lálẹ́ pẹ̀lú different shirts. Ẹ̀kan èkejì ẹ̀kẹ́ mo ti lose count.
ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni èsì fẹ́ rò tó?
Lẹ́kúnlé ká ni ẹ́.
Cab driver.
You belittle me to the extent that that idiot, that silly man offered me money, and the only thing you could say is that I was your cab man. Am I your cab man?
Ṣé o dúpẹ́ pé mo pè é ní cabman tí mi pè é ní olè?
Mom, are you okay? Sending him away is not the solution.
Fún wa ní 90 days pé ká kúrò nínú ìlú. I'm just tired, I'm fed up.
Èmi àti family mi là ń gbé and ọkọ mi ò ní gbà.
Ó ti gbàgbé pé gambler ni.
Tó bá lè fi tẹ́tẹ́ ìkàlẹ̀ please I will appreciate.
ẹni obìnrin tó bá ní sẹ́fíìsì mi ó máa sanwó fún mi màá dẹ̀ rẹ́ńdà ẹ̀ fún